to escort Paul Allen, Mayor Vera, to your backhoes. If you would do that. And wait for the signal once you get there. This is it, folks. This should be something. He didn't wait for the cue. Oh, well, we'll say it in a moment anyway. That's to make it official, those famous words, ladies and gentlemen, start your backhoes.
Nice technique, huh?
Great job. It's official, ladies and gentlemen, for sure. A very auspicious and historic day. So let's get on with today's program. Would you please follow the ushers into the Coliseum for a video overview of the Oregon Arena project. Good job, Paul.